Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Walmart employee account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Walmart employee account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in onewalmart.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Walmart employee log like this on the Google itself and hit enter. And over here you can see the onewalmart.com by its company. Click over there, and over here you can see this is the company page of the One Walmart, or the Walmart itself. Now to log into, since both of these pages are same, let's pause one of these. Now to log into your Walmart employee account, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login option available over here. Click on login, and after that you'll be required to enter your user ID of your Walmart employee user ID. And after entering your user ID over here, choose the country of your residence, and after that enter your location like this, and after that enter your store or club number over here by choosing these locally. And after choosing your location, click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Walmart employee account from over here. And this is how you log into your Walmart employee account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.